Hello, hello, it's Brandy here of the Wild Hare Kits design team and also of the Scrapstorian team, and I am here to do my unboxing of my January Wild Hare Kits Petite Kit. We went with a Petite Kit this month again to showcase again what we can do with the smaller kits. You can still get a lot of volume out of them, and so I'm excited to show you what I got this month. I asked for product kind of everyday adventure photos. Like I've got a bunch of random photos on my iPhone that I need to just get the story documented. I wanted fun, I wanted bright, and basically when I asked Allison, in my style profile that I filled out for January, I basically said I want fun, I want bright, I want everyday stuff, and I kind of want to see what the kit is like that you would get, that you would want if this kit was being made for you. So quite interesting, my ask. I'm sure other people have done it before, but I wanted to see what her style is because we don't get to see that very often. So this is the kit that she provided, and I'll just read you the little write-up. Merry Christmas, Brandy. I hope you love this kit. I always like bright, cheery colors to start the new year and combat the winter blues. Agreed. I love how Dear Lizzie's New Day pairs with the Whimsical collection. I sent a few papers to Fussy Cut as well as a floral die cut pack to really get you working those floral creative juices. I also included a new exclusive sequins pack. Yes, that works perfectly with your kit. Enjoy. I have discovered over the months with Wild Hare Kits that I enjoy fussy cutting. Who knew? I apparently enjoy florals. Who knew? And my new secret, well, not so secret, passion, love, it must go on every page is sequins. So the fact that Spiegel Mom Scraps and the Wild Hare Kits work together on exclusive sequins, and I get those in my kits, is just super, super exciting. So here I go. Here's my January Petite Kit with the Wild Hare Kits. Survey kit, new little thanks card, absolutely fabulous, and then happy 2019 crafting, Brandy. Set that guy here. Good. So, oh wow, okay. So again, this is a petite kit, so we're looking for a few pieces of paper and a few embellishments, but it always ends up being more, feeling like so much more. So I got the Freckled Fawn. This is Love, 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 which is great, fabulous for those everyday moments, kind of random moments that I have on my iPhone. Oh, here is the sequin pack. So this is exclusively designed by Spiegel Mom Scraps, and it's with Wild Hare Kit. And you can see it's got a variety of shapes in it. These little teardroppy kind of shapes. I don't even know what shape that is. And then the hexagons. And I love hexagons, and I definitely love a touch of gold. So that's quite fabulous. I love the small pops of pink in there with the peach. That's going to go really well. We'll see. Okay. Also received this page, Evans from Pink Paisley, her Whimsical collection, and this is all the floral die cuts, and I'm going to just zoom in on this, which is hilarious to me because last month I got the paper that has all these flowers on it, and I tediously spent the time to individually fussy cut each one and love the look of it. So it's going to be fun working with something that's already pre-cut, these pieces, and cut much better than I could ever do. So that's those pieces there. So, oops, sorry, lots of botanical leaves. I see there's some gold pieces in there, florals, and then the combos. So I think those will work really well for me. Fabulous. Also got some 6x6 papers, so these are super cute. Oh, follow your heart. Love the color scheme here, and who doesn't love a good llama? Okay, and these are one-sided. So great colors, green, a bit of pink in there, and some more pink. I love a good mustard yellow, so that's pretty exciting. Oh wow, a black with white and gold arrows. Who couldn't use that on anything? And then this must be Amy Tangerine. Isn't that her tiger? I can't remember. But anyway, I think it is. But lots of good colors on here, little journal tags. And again, those pops of gold throughout on this one as well, which will go nice with the gold in the sequins as well as the gold in the Whimsical floral die cuts. I also love this paper pad. All the, I don't know, it's not really a branding strip because there's no branding, but like the whole strip is also totally usable for little tags and layers. So that's great. And then onto the paper that I got. These are the 12x12 pieces. So I got some Echo Park. Oh, love that pink and a geometric pattern. So this is the I Am Mom collection from Echo Park, and it's called Give Mom Flowers. Oh wow, is that ever bright and fun. Wow, that's really bright. That's really pretty. I love this geo side, but there's just something about this. Just peeking out would be nice, or even a fussy cut it. Can't believe I keep saying that, but anyway. So there's that one. Here. Here is Dear Lizzie New Day. So this is the one that Allison was saying goes really well with the Pink Paisley Whimsical collection. So love all the words. I do love words on a saying. I might use this as a whole, maybe put some gesso on there, or maybe cut apart. Oh, and I love a good yellow. Again, mustard. I just love that mustard yellow color. So that's going to be really great. Those go really well together. Here is a Paige Evans from Pink Paisley, her whimsical collection. This is number 3. Oh, those are fabulous. What is happening to me? I just want to grab my scissors and cut those. Ooh, but also a really great B-side. Oh, love that pink, that kind of pinky purple look. I think that's fabulous, and it's going to look really good with the coral and the white and the gold sequins. We'll leave the fussy cut side up. Oh, love this. Another really great kind of tealish greenish color that is all the way throughout this. And this is another Dear Lizzie New Day. Oh, that's really great as well. So it's got the pink and the reds in there, and again that mustard. Great geo. You could do that for any occasion. Oh, good yellow here. Oh, look at that strip. That's fabulous. So kind of like a ledger almost, or a composition binder type of thing. And then this is the other side. Oh, that's hilarious. That's cute. I have some teenage siblings, so that might actually be quite perfect, to be honest. But yeah, I do like that yellow side. So those are the paper pieces there. So I kind of 5 12 by 12s. I'll show you those there. And then these are the 6 by 6, and you can see how they have those pinks throughout, the mustard throughout. It's going to be great. And then it's got that kind of tealish green, and then it's going to go really well with the whimsical collection. My sequins, can't wait to crack those open. Freckled fawn, and that is that. I do also want to quickly show you, it doesn't come with the Petite Kit, but you do have access to the cut file. The cut file for January is appropriately called a fresh start. So I'll just move this stuff aside so you can see it. Now I have just received my silhouette, and this is like the 3rd thing I've cut, so it's a little bit, it's not the best cut ever. I'm sure y'all are better at it than I am, but I promise I will get better at it when I do it. And I'm kind of thinking that I'm going to do something like, well, no wonder it gets wrecked, eh? Something like this, a picture of me, and maybe list my goals. That's what I'm kind of thinking of. But anyway, there you go. Love that the new cut file will also have a sketch this month. I invite you to come and participate. Thank you so much. That is the Wild Hare Kits, my January 2019, can you even believe it? Petite Kit. Can't wait to show you what I make. Thanks so much.